5 amazing facts about dogs. Fact 1. Dogs can see with their noses. Their sense of smell is 40 times stronger than ours, and they use it to map the world like a built-in GPS. Fact 2. They can hear sounds 4 times farther than humans. A dog can detect noises too high-pitched for us, like a mouse moving in the walls. Fact 3. The world's oldest dog lived to be 31. That's over 200 in dog years. His name was Bobby, and he lived in Portugal. Fact 4. Dogs can fall in love. Their brains release oxytocin, the same love hormone that bonds humans with their families. Fact 5. Some dogs can sniff out diseases. Certain breeds can detect cancer, diabetes, and even COVID-19 just by smelling a person.